back to my YouTube channel. This is your girl again, Eve, and today we are talking about eyebrows, guys. Eyebrows. If you are new to my channel, welcome here, welcome. Yes, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much, guys. You guys are amazing. Keep doing the good work, guys. I have been doing my eyebrows now for like 5 years without going to any beauty parlor, guys. So I want to share with you how I do my eyebrows at home. See that, guys? See that? As you can see, my eyebrows are not that full, guys. Yes, but always shape what you have. Yes, groom what you have and feel good about it. So let's start the process now and see how we do this, guys. So the first thing that I normally do is make sure my brows are clean and there's no product left out. So I'll just go ahead and do that and make sure they are clean. So I'll take my micellar water and just a small cotton wool. Then wipe off the excess. Make sure you don't have any makeup on, like so. So as for the oil, you can use any oil that you want. You can use Vaseline, you can use any oil, but I love using Aramis. I feel it's softer and yes, it makes them kind of smooth. So next I'm going to use this razor. I bought this razor in town. You can get it at any cosmetic shop in town. I bought it at Super Cosmetics in town. You guys know Super Cosmetics. Most of the people here in Nairobi knows Super Cosmetics. So it comes in a pack of 3. So there were different colors. So I picked the pink one. So I'll go ahead and start the process. So by shaving the upper part, like so. Then go ahead, take your spoolie brush, then see whether you've cleaned the upper part so well, like that. And make sure you have something like this, maybe so that you can be wiping out whatever you've cut off. So I'll go ahead and go to the lower part. This razor is actually very easy to use, guys, so you should have one. But if you don't even have this, you can also use the other razor, but I find this very easy to use. Next, now I'm going to this other eye and I'll do the same. Yeah, comb them out. Yes, and start the process. Remember to be careful when you're doing it. As you can see, I've finished, guys. Boom, baby. It's that simple. It's just that simple, guys. So now I'll go ahead and shape those eyebrows, and I'm using Davis number 3 eye pencil. So I'm gonna do this so well so that I can see whether I did the shaping of the eyebrows correctly. So let's do that, guys. Actually, I love them and they are so neat, guys. So you can see already they are neat, and I have not even cleaned them with a concealer. So they are perfecto. If you love this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Hit that red button over there. See you next time, guys. Cheers. Bye. See you on the next one.